it is on 4 hours. Like, as in what I mean, let me see if I can draw something. Okay, the price is here, and then it will make something like that. Yeah, and then next one will come here. Let me draw for you. I want to bend this. How? I don't know why it can't bend. Okay, let us just use it singly like that. I should make a bend like this one did. And then I don't know why the thing is misbehaving, but maybe because of the network.